Hollywood behind-the-scene videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. Take a look at this Instagram page. It have gained more than 1.4 million followers just by posting this exact style of content. And he is pulling an insane number of views. One of his video has crossed 800 million views and still scaling up.
Let me show you how you can also make these type of videos. First, open the document link I had provided in description. Here you will find a master prompt. Copy this master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will provide us 10 different scenes. You can also provide your own scene. But for now, I am going with third one. Then GPT will provide us a highly detailed video prompt for our video. Copy this whole prompt. To generate these behind-the-scene videos, we are going to use the Seedance 2.5 feature from TopView AI. You will find TopView AI link in top of description. Here go to Seedance 2.5 feature. TopView AI provides us many features like we can upload a reference video to generate our video. We can also turn any image to video using image to video feature. But for now, we will use text to video. Here, paste the video prompt in prompt box. Set your desired aspect ratio. Set the video duration to 20 seconds. Set the video quality and choose your number of outputs. Then click Generate. Then within a minute, TopView AI will generate our video. And here it is. Let's watch the final result together.
Charge 7 connected. 3, 2, 1.
Download it from here. That's the magic of TopView AI. And here is a surprising part. We have 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 in TopView AI. So check out TopView AI, link in description, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials.